Hi guys, this is the open box for my pump, the water pump to wash the air condition. Just arrived, so I do an open box for it to see this we can wash the AC, DIY washing the AC. Come on. So this side is done. Let's see. Okay. Wow. Okay. Yes, I think I ordered the 8-meter long. This is 8-meter long tube with this is just a tubing connectors. Okay. So this should come with adapters. Let me just put this one side. This is 8-meter long. So let me put it one side. It's quite long, and the other side, this is the suction side with filter. So then this box with nozzle or something. Spare nozzle. Yeah, it's a nozzle. Spare nozzle. Locked. This side. I'm not sure what is this first. Let's put it aside first. So this is the adapter. This adapter is a 12 volt. Is a 12 volt 10 amp. 12 volt 10 amp. Yes, it's like a laptop adapters. So this is the pump unit itself. And Sumo, and you guys can see is a gate open. 4 to 7 amp, 10 to 12 liter per minute, 130 psi. But they say it's 120 psi because I guess when it's running it will drop a bit. So put it aside. What else? Okay, this is the cable for the adapter, and then this is a nozzle. The handle part where with a valve, simple valve. So that's it. Let me remove this. Let's open the adapters first. So nothing much, just a brick. Universal voltage by Delta Electronics adapters. So I guess this goes here. Okay, that's it for the adapters. Now the pump itself. It's quite a small unit, so it's easy for me to keep. I do not need a big compressor type. So let's remove this. Do not the pump do not pumping fluid only. Made in Japan technology. That means it's not made in Japan. So this is the adapters comes in. Primitive. I might have to waterproof, at least tape it down, waterproof it a bit. Then I guess this is the pressure sensor side. I think this is the incoming, and that's outgoing. Check, right? There's no indicators. Nothing. These legs, okay. There's no indicators. Yeah, the warranties. Nothing. Just 3 cables. That's it. That's it. So everything here, the pumps. Thank you. That's it, and the tube. Thank you. Bye bye.